Hey guys, it's Will at Jordan Bikes. Today I've got myself this Kawasaki Ninja 650 KRT. Look at this little bad boy. Proper Bobby Dazzler for your first bike is this. It is a 650cc Kawasaki engine in these. They can be restricted down to an A2 license. Really nice. Like I said, KRT edition, so you get all like the colour scheme and everything from that. It was new in March of 17. It's only one owner. It's got the new dash from Kawasaki there as well. Give it a quick start up. Tell you what, Kawasaki have got some cracking looking bikes. 2017 bike like this, lovely. Anyway guys, you've seen this. What I need to do, bob down to Jordan Bikes, simply give us a call. We do finance, we take cash, and we love a part exchange. See you soon.